Alejandra. Hi. How are you? You doing okay? I'm just saying hi. You look so... Misa. Misa. Sí, como voy para la misa. Yeah. You enjoyed your workout? Yeah. Alright, see you around.
So how exactly did we get here? Well, I gotta take y'all back 2 to 3 weeks before this video took place. It was originally gonna be a separate video, but I figured it's all intertwined. Let's just make it one video. And if it goes well, I think it'll be a series, because I think I'm in love. Welcome to the channel. For all the introverts out there like myself, this video is for you. So quick backstory before we get to the meat and potatoes of the video. So I have, like everybody else in the world, a gym crush. And this gym crush, I have been wanting to say something to her for about a month or so, maybe a little bit longer. I started going back to this gym around that time, like a month, almost 2 months ago. And I saw her and I was like, well, she's cute, you know, whatever. But I never worked up the courage to say anything to her. I'm an introvert by nature, and it's really hard for me to just walk up to random people and strike up a conversation. So today, Thanksgiving Day, I decided, you know what, let me go get my workout in before I stuff my face. And if I see her there, I got to say something to her. And this right here, guys, this is how you stop being an introvert. This is the only way. You got to go through the pain of these types of interactions. And that's something that I've known, but I've never really taken the action, or at least never taken enough action towards improving on that, because it's okay to be an introvert, but me personally, I don't want to be such an introvert. But here's the interaction.
Hey, sorry, I know this is really random and awkward, but I have a new rule. I have to like talk to my gym crush. So I just wanted to get your name and I'll leave you alone.
Alejandra.
Alejandra?
Yes.
Misael, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Where are you from?
Colombia.
Oh, really?
Sí.
Dominicano. Okay, that's what's up. I saw, like, I started coming back here like, I don't know, like a month and a half ago. I used to come all the time, but then when I started coming back, I saw you and I was like, damn. And then ever since then, I was just like, I need to go say something to her, but I'm an introvert, so it's like, it's really hard for me, and I feel like when I go up to people, especially when they're working out, I feel like I'm bothering them, and I don't like feeling that way. But it's just the introvert in me. So I finally like, you know what? If I see her today, I gotta say something.
Nice
So,
to meet you.
likewise. You say Alejandra?
Alejandra.
Okay. Maybe we could work out sometime if that's cool.
Sure.
All right.
Well, I have boyfriend, so I don't
No, that's
know.
okay. He can come too.
Okay.
Like I said, this is just for me. Like, I need to get it out of the way. I couldn't keep, you know.
Yes.
But it was nice to meet you, though.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good one.
You too.
I hope that was helpful, guys. All the introverts out there, just go ahead and do it, guys. Put yourself in an uncomfortable position and just go for it. Nothing grows inside your comfort zone, so you just have to go for it, guys. I hope this is really helpful to you guys, or at least inspiring, to go ahead and just go talk to people, do what you got to do, but work on yourself. You know, that's how you improve. Turns out she was really receptive and nice. She was smiling during the interaction. So she was really open and cool, even though she had a boyfriend and everything. At the end of the day, that's not really the point. The point is to improve on yourself and make a friend, you know. So at the end of the day, guys, it's a win-win the way I see it. And I felt so much better, even though I would have wanted to go out with her or whatever the case may be. I still felt great after the fact because I finally was able to get that out of the way. And I said something to her. And now moving forward, we're not strangers to each other anymore, obviously. So when I see her, obviously I can say what's up. And you never know down the line, she might not have a boyfriend anymore. The important thing is to always shoot your shot. At the worst case, you're going to plant a seed. And down the line, you never know what could happen. So like the video, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. And guys, just take action. Massive and immediate action. See you guys in the next video.